Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can order from Whataburger app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go and open Whataburger app. Once your Whataburger app opens up, it will redirect you to its homepage where you need to sign in from the account you have created. So once you type in your email address and your password, you will get signed in and be redirected to this kind of page. So here you need to simply tap on the order option. Once you tap on order, you will be then redirected to a page where it will say about where to locate your location. So once you locate your location, you can go to the reward section first and select your reward. So if you want to order something, you can choose from the order section itself. So after getting your reward, you can select the deal from the order section and then you can choose to move forward by clicking on confirm. So once you select items, you will be redirected to this kind of page where you need to press on pay with app. So once you scan this, you are all done with your order placed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.